Here 'em is. See those pumpkins? Well, lo and behold, you saw them the other day. I had them all lined up here, all along the front. Well, I mowed the lawn the other day, and guess what? Yes, I cut the cord. I did. I cut the cord. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset them back to where they was. Because I fixed the cord. You guys still with me? How's that? How'd I do? Pretty good? I know. No tunes, huh? That didn't work. I want to try to get them all even. I can only go down so far. That one that I just put in over here won't go down anymore. And there's probably a stone there. So what I'll have to do is leave it. Just like this one. Oh, there you go. That one too. Okay. Now what I gotta do is I gotta tape them. There is an open electrical thing over there, so I'm going to tape it up after I plug this in. That plug is 60 years old. I'm just covering this up because of the rain and the wet. I will probably take them in next week. But for right now, I really don't want any water in there unless I kind of have to, but I don't want to. Here we go. And I'm not going to mow the lawn again, so I guess I made out all right. Really. All right, I'm done. What I did was I took my blower the other day and I blew some leaves that were all along the edge here. I blew them out. Well, evidently I blew the cord out far enough where I went right along the side of the pumpkins and yeah, I did. I fixed the cut cord. Huh? What the hell was that? Jeez. try them. See if they work. Yeah, I gotta come downstairs. There's a switch right here. Right there. I'll have to see if they work. Don't know if you can see today because of the it's daylight out. Oh. Yeah, they're all lit. You can't see them, but I'll show you tonight. Huh? Okay? You got it, baby. No metal.